All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into something pretty cool, an app that basically promises to put a geologist right in your pocket. It's called GeoWise, and really, it's all about answering that one question we've all had when we pick up some weird, interesting rock.
You know the feeling, right? You're on a hike, maybe just in your own backyard, or walking down the street. You see an interesting rock or a mineral. You pick it up and boom! That wave of curiosity hits you. What is this? Where'd it come from? What's its story? It's a truly age-old question. So yeah, that feeling of holding a little piece of the earth, it's universal. And for, centuries, if you wanted to know what it was, you had to either track down an expert or spend hours flipping through some dusty field guide. But what if? What if you could get a super detailed answer right there on the spot using a tool you already carry everywhere?
Well, that's exactly where modern technology provides this brilliant solution. GeoWise is designed to answer that exact question, giving you fast, accurate geological IDs using, nothing but the phone in your pocket.
Okay, so the big promise here is that this is your pocket geologist, ready to go whenever you are. But how does it actually pull that off? Let's take a look at the key features that really make it tick.
At its core, this thing is all about being convenient and, honestly, pretty powerful. You get super fast identifications from a massive database, all powered by AI. And for me, this is a real game changer. It auto-saves everything, and you can access your whole history offline. Think about it. That's perfect for when you're out on a trail with zero signal. Plus, they've built it with privacy in mind, which, let's be honest, is a huge win these days.
Now, all that tech talk might sound a little complicated, but the way you actually use the app, it's incredibly simple. Let's walk through just how seamless they've made this whole process of discovery.
The entire process really boils down to just 4 super simple steps. Step 1, you either snap a photo right then and there or just pick one from your gallery. Step 2, the AI gets to work and seriously, it analyzes it in just a few seconds. Step 3, your results get saved automatically to your history. And step 4, you can pull up all your discoveries anytime you want, even if you're completely offline. That's it. So simple.
Okay, so how on earth does a simple photo turn into a detailed geological report? Let's pull back the curtain a little bit and peek under the hood at the technology that's powering this pocket geologist.
The absolute heart of the app is its cloud AI. And you shouldn't think of it like a simple search engine. It's way more like a powerful digital brain that's been trained on millions upon millions of geological samples. So when you upload your picture, this brain analyzes it, compares it against everything it's ever learned, and finds the most accurate match. It's pretty amazing.
This whole smooth experience really rests on 3 key pillars of technology. First, there's the Flutter framework. That's what makes the app feel so slick and responsive on your phone. Then, you've got an SQL database. You can think of this as your own personal digital field journal, saving all your finds for that offline access. And finally, a secure API. That's the safe, protected bridge that connects your phone to that super smart AI brain up in the cloud.
But it's not just about the fancy tech, right? The goal here is also about global accessibility, which is why the app supports over 90, that's 90, languages, from English and Spanish to Bengali and Japanese. The whole idea is to get this knowledge into the hands of anyone, anywhere on the planet, no matter what language they speak. That's huge.
Okay, and this slide right here, this is where the magic really happens. This shows you the payoff. So on one side, you have your observation, a shiny gray rock. That's it. You snap a picture and boom. In seconds, GeoWise doesn't just spit out a name, it tells you the name, galena, the composition, lead sulfide, its hardness on the Mohs scale, its crystal system, and even its practical use as the primary ore of lead. You see? It transforms a simple, fleeting curiosity into this incredibly rich, multi-layered understanding.
So who is a tool like this actually for? Is it just for, casual hobbyists? Not even close. The app is actually designed to be useful for a surprisingly wide range of people.
Just look at this list. It's pretty broad. Of course, it's an amazing field tool for geology students and researchers. It's a fantastic teaching aid for educators. It's a dream for rock collectors who want to catalog everything they find. But you also have hikers, nature lovers, and even professionals, people in mining or construction who can use it for a quick on-site check. Really, it's for anyone who's ever looked down and wondered about the ground beneath their feet.
So ultimately, when you take a step back and look at the big picture, you realize this app represents something much bigger than just identifying rocks. It's really about putting the power of discovery, quite literally, right in the palm of your hand.
And this, I think, gets to the core of why GeoWise really matters. When you make expert-level knowledge this easy to get to, it stops being just an app. It becomes a launchpad for scientific curiosity. It's a tool that encourages every single one of us to start asking more questions about the amazing world all around us.
You know, the developers themselves put it perfectly. Their quote really sums up the whole mission. They say, GeoWise serves as a bridge between advanced scientific knowledge and just public accessibility. And that bridge helps foster a greater appreciation for all the incredible geological processes that literally shape our planet. I just love that.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? I mean, if we can do this for geology, what's next? What other incredibly complex fields could we unlock with just a camera and a little bit of curiosity? What other mysteries are out there, just waiting for the right tool to bring them into the light? Thanks for joining me for this explainer. I'll see you on the next one.